The support pages found on Samsung UK and Samsung North America revealed that a Galaxy smartwatch with the SMR861 model number will soon launch in the respective countries. The upcoming smartwatch with the SMR861 model number was spotted on the UAE's too.The certification, which confirmed the Galaxy Watch FE. The Watch FE is said to have specs very similar to those of the Galaxy Watch 4 from 2021, which is anything but encouraging sounding. A while back, a rumor claimed Samsung would launch a Galaxy Watch 4 2024 model, but it looks like this has since been renamed as Galaxy Watch FE. The Watch FE will have the model numbers SMR866F, SMR866U, and SMR866N in various parts of the world, and it should get a global launch. Its exact specs haven't been outed, but it's expected to be very close to the aforementioned Galaxy Watch 4, and of course launching at a lower price compared to the upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 series. The FCC listing previously revealed that Samsung will equip the smartwatch with support for 5W wireless charging tech. Think of the Galaxy Watch FE as being to Samsung what the Apple Watch SE is to Apple, a more affordable option designed to get people into wearables. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.